Hey everyone, today we'll be installing these clear taillights on my G80 M3, so let's hop in. I picked these up from eBay for $346 shipped. They came packaged very nicely, as you can tell. They also did have this foam insert that sat right on the top. The reason I went with these as opposed to some name brand options on the market is because the listing pictures and functionality are identical, so for a fraction of the price, I figured why not give them a shot. For those interested in getting a set of these, I will be sure to put the link in the description below. For this install, you will need a few simple tools. That's going to be a magnet, 1/4 inch ratchet, 1/4 inch extension, 8mm socket, 10mm ratcheting wrench, or if you have a socket that works as well, trim piece remover tool, and 2 zip ties. To start, we are going to remove these compressor clips. There is a total of 10 throughout the whole trunk liner. Be sure to get these removed on the side, and then up where you put your hand in to close the trunk, there is another one. We'll also remove this panel. Simply push down on this tab and it pops right out. You will have to remove these switches as well. There's 2 metal clips on the side, so once you get those pushed in, this comes right out. And then the harness, you'll just pull that right out as well. To remove the compressor clips, you're gonna take your trim removal tool, simply slide it right behind the compressor clip, put some pressure upwards, and then it pulls right out. That's how it looks. To remove this trim piece, just put some pressure right where the clips are. With pressure applied, you will then go ahead and grab the clip, pull it outwards, and then it will open up like that. And then you will be met with something like this. After that, grab the trim piece from the bottom, pull it upwards, and it'll pop out just like that. There will be one white clip that holds it in place. With everything removed, you will then go ahead and grab the liner. You will pull it back towards yourself, and then that will release the 4 clips that are holding it in. With the trunk liner removed, you now have access to your taillights. Go ahead and remove the harness connector. Simply pull down and that disconnects like that. And grab your 8mm socket, and we're gonna go ahead and get these brackets off. With the brackets removed, we will then have to partially remove this trim piece. If you stick your finger behind it and pull it towards you, that will release one of the clips that does hold it in place. With that removed, simply lift the taillight from the inner portion, pull it outwards, and then just like that, it comes right out. I went ahead and installed the clear taillight on the trunk lid. It did come with its own bracket. However, I just reused the OEM one as this one felt more sturdy. And the clear taillight does have a harness sticking out of it, which I assume is for the sequential taillight. So I just went ahead and zip tied that along with the harness. Installation is just as simple as doing the removal process in reverse. So let's go ahead and get the 1/4 taillights removed. To start, we're gonna go ahead and remove this drainage trim piece. All you have to do is work your fingers behind the seal at the top, pull it upwards towards you. Go ahead and lift upwards, it comes right out. It's held in by these 2 white clips, and you pull it upwards just so you won't break any of these tabs that sit right in these holes at the bottom. We are then going to remove this clip right here and this clip right back here. With the clips removed, you can put your finger under that seal, pull back on the liner. That does give us access to remove the 8mm bolt that I'm going to zoom into right now. That little guy right over there. Next, you're going to remove these 2 10mm nuts. You can just go ahead and push the taillight out of place to the side, grab it, and then pull it right out. To remove the harness, simply pull up on this red tab as such, push down on that black lever where my index finger is at, and the harness will come right out of place. With the stock taillight removed, we went ahead and got the clear taillight in place. Everything is as simple as doing the removal process in reverse. With the clear tails installed, I went ahead and tested them for full functionality, in which all is good. Here is a demo of how they work. The sequentials and everything look fantastic. I am overall pleased with these. Fitment is really good. There are no excessive gaps anywhere. So time will tell how they hold up reliability wise. That does wrap up today's video, and I will see you guys on the next one.